कभी है धूप जिंदगी. Okay. You don't have any content, you just go blank. You don't speak anything. So today I'm going to just train my trainees that how can they think faster and on the spot without any kind of preparation, how can they speak. So there are many trainees, they are very excited to speak. I'm going to give them several topics to speak right now. Okay, talk about money.
Money is that part of our life that make our life very easy, and money as well as help to start our business. We have not money, we can't start a business. Okay. That is money is very important in our life. That is money is to be earned by everyone, and for even it is a child, that is also very important to be take education. Without money, we can't take education.
Thank you. Hard work.
Hard work is very important in our life because by hard work we can change our life and we can solve any problem and very easily. And hard work is not that keep on. Smart work is also important.
Okay, family.
Family is very important. If you have family, you can support it.
Education is very important for us, and we have to take education because it's change your life.
Money.
Money. If I talk about money, so we get birth, but we be human with help of money. We survive on this planet. We survive our life with help of money. So if we have no money, we can't survive.
Confidence.
Confidence is very important for us, and we can do everything by confidence.
Sure.
We can speak by confidence, and we can
dance, we can sing, we can do whatever we want, right? Dream.
A dream is a very important, because without dream we can't achieve anything, because we are doing anything it means of dream. If we don't have dream, then our life is nothing, because with the help of dream we do anything in life. A dream is a way to go a perfect way in a life.
Sure. Education
is a weapon, and we have to take an education. Education is a very important, and we can change our country, we can change our life by education.
Good. Talk about human life.
Human life. If I talk about human life, so it depends on that person who lives in his life. It depends on his. But if I talk about every human life, so it's a very important, and we live our life with enjoy.
Animal life.
Animal life is a not good life. If I talk about animal life, they have mind, but they can't use proper.
All right. Okay. Degree.
Degree is I can say degree is just a list of your education. Degree is just a list of your how much your father, how much you spend on time. Your degree is not about knowledge. Degree is about just a quality. Yeah.
That's the quality that what you have.
Yeah.
Okay. Science.
If this time everything is made by science, and just like every person use mobile, it is also made by science, and science is very important for us. And if we are here and we are taking knowledge because of science.
Mother is that part of our life who gives with help of mother we are in this world. So I don't have many words to say about my mother, because I am here because of my mother.
Very good. Corruption
is very bad, and this time India is a very corrupted country, and we have to remove.
Continue.
And we should have to remove this corruption.
Of course. Online studies.
Online study is also very good, because those person who don't able to live in an urban area like expensive cities, those can read in a village life in their his home. So it's very good.
Okay. Parents
is a part of our life. Parents are part of our life, and if we are here, so because of parents, and parents give us motivation and give us knowledge, everything.
Right.
Internet is a part of communication, and we can use internet, and by internet we can learn, we can take education, we can take knowledge, we can learn anything by internet. And now this time internet is a very famous.
Family is that who give you birth. Family is that who give you support. Family is that who give you power. Without family, we cannot imagine our life to be very simple. A family is that we can visualize with our life like going in the forest. We are living as like world.
Public speaking.
Public speaking is a part of speaking, and when we speak, in front of public. That is called public speaking.
Communication.
Communication is that whenever we are sharing our idea and thoughts and view with the public, with the in front of the person, that is called the public speaking. Public speaking that attract the people. Public speaking that give the knowledge to people. By
Hesitation.
Hesitation is a part of human life, and hesitation can stop us. Because of hesitation, we can't speak anywhere, we can't stand anywhere, we can't think anywhere.
confidence that we have to work anywhere without any doubt, without any failure. That is confidence. Confidence is that the power that help you, support you, push you to do any work without any distraction.
Girls' life.
Girls' life is a very complicated because there is no freedom for education, there is no freedom for going anywhere, but society can understand about this and society can finish this.
Right, very good. Society.
Society is that where we are living with the rule, with all the things we are following. That is society. Society is there where people are living without any fairness. If we have the brotherhood in the society. Society give the as a bond of social, and society give the power up to
Great. Corruption.
Now this time in every country there are corruption and we should finish it. What is corruption? We get dowry, we get bribe. That is called corruption and we should not do it, and we can change this.
Business that why we can earn a lot of money, we can help our country as well as we can give the support of the poor people, we can remove poverty, and poverty is the main part to be start of our business. Business can help us give the good education because we have a lot of money that we can give the great education system. Like Kejriwal we are seeing in the Delhi, he is without any cost, he is providing good education, good communication, good position for the student, and without taking any electricity bill, he is providing. That's because of
English language.
Now this time English language is a very famous and we are learning here English language. By English language we can attract people, we can talk to anywhere, we can convince to anywhere.
Okay. How to remove fear?
Fear is that when we are facing what we are facing ourselves, that we should practice it more and more, and we should use that the person whom we are seeing daily in the night and day in our cell phones. We should watch the social media where the great people are speaking and presenting themselves in front of the people. That is the way why we can remove our hesitation. Hesitation means remove our thought, our fearness from the bottom of our heart. That is called hesitation.
Population is a very tough, very complicated topic, and now this time in India there are more population and we should stop it and we should change it because of population there is less of education, there is less of money, there is less of employment. So we should finish it.
Indian government
is good for all Indian people because we have the power to elect the government. Government is that which care the peoples of their people and their countrymen. Though India is government is as like just like a great we have seen in the past like APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, they were also very fantastic personality in our society and help and given a lot of power to our country as a given the missile a lot of.
Yes, sir.
Jess sir is my teacher and he is a good person because he convinces very easily and he gives us more knowledge, gives us more knowledge, gives us always motivation.
Okay.
Time is money. Time flies. Without time, we can't do anything. Because once we lost our money, but we can regain it. We lost our time, we can't regain it. Because time is very important for a doctor, for a patient, for a teacher, for a student.
Money is very important for us. Without money, you cannot achieve your target. Without money, cannot you come here. Without money.
Time is very important for us. If you have time, you can do anything. If you have time, you can lot of earn money.
English language.
English language is a very important language. For English language, the international language. For you can do anywhere. So you learn
Business
is very important. And if you want to start business, first you take your knowledge according to business. And you have knowledge of business, you can achieve your target. You can growth in your family.
Teacher.
as well as know that teacher is very important for us. If you have teacher, you can do anything, and teacher every time give me suggestion and every time give me advice what we will do and what.
Idea.
Idea is a very important because anything any can do it. First of all, you can knowledge. You can get the ideas. Idea is very important.
Hard work.
Hard work, according to me, hard work is most important in our life. If you want to successful man, without hard work you cannot successful man.
Sure. Mobile phone.
Mobile phone is very good platform for teaching and for learning and earning money. And this time there are many people is famous in world by this is responsibility of mobile. And this time Khan sir is famous in world. This is responsibility of mobile.
Yeah, this is possible because of
yes
mobile.
sir.
Right. Digital study.
Digital study is a very good good study. You can anywhere study. You can anywhere rural area and urban area because of with the help of rural area.
Okay. Student life.
Student life is very good life because
They enjoy. They learn.
they enjoy,
They learn.
they learn and they read and
Okay, it's a beautiful part of the life, right?
is the
Okay, life.
What is life? Life is nothing. Life is that thing who not deserve in a world without life. What I'm
Life is
saying.
nothing, you said. Okay. Okay. Sorry. No issue, right. Talk about mobile phone.
mobile phone is the most important in our life. Without phone, you cannot call anywhere, and you can
Books is very important in our life. Without book, you can't do anything. Books, you are feeling sad, then you go to read book. There are many books in the world. You can reading. You can improve your reading self and confidence level.
Okay, digital study.
what this
With phone study, laptop study, we study with the help of laptop and all.
this
Digital study.
digital study is very important in our life,
Of course.
and you can
You can study anywhere.
you can study anywhere, and you
It's very easy to use.
yes you is
Very easy to use.
very used to
Right. Okay. Tell me about yourself.
myself.
Yeah.
I'm Ankita. I think I'm good girl.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay.
ये धूप नहीं ये छाँव है, शिक्षा कोई मौत की सैया नहीं, ये सफलता से मिलाने की नाव